I'm just getting your water, Lee.
Lee was born a happy, healthy baby. But when he was 1, a life-threatening infection closed off his airways and stopped blood getting to his brain. It left him quadriplegic, blind, and with severe learning difficulties. He is almost entirely reliant on his mother's care.
It requires a lot of moving and handling, lifting and moving, on the bed to change him, get him dressed, get him washed, things like that. And I'm finding that really, really difficult at the moment.
Tanya is among some 5 million unpaid carers who contribute close to 8 billion hours of work each year. Without them, the social care system would simply collapse.
My husband is self-employed, so he can't get time off, because if he does get time off to help me with Lee, then he doesn't get paid. And that's always very difficult. The cost of living's going up, isn't it? Energy bills are rising. We do struggle with that.
A report commissioned by the Department for Health has found 1.5 million carers provide 50 hours or more unpaid work each week. The number receiving paid support is falling. Now it's just 27%. And those provided with respite care has fallen from 57,000 to 33,000. For some, the mental, physical and financial pressures are at unsustainable levels.
If you're an unpaid carer, you have to have the heating on for the person that you care for. You can't switch off an oxygen machine if someone is dependent on it. So what are you doing? Going to food banks or missing out on meals yourself. But they're also propping up a social care system which doesn't have enough staff in it, so don't necessarily help them when they need the respite themselves.
And these workforce shortages are also resulting in vulnerable people not having continuity of care. The report's authors spoke to one mother who described how her son, over the course of 2 years, had 143 different carers. That's 143 people who need to be trained each time to deal with a person with specialized needs. The Department for Health says we all owe unpaid carers a debt of gratitude. They say plans are being finalised to deliver a further £25 million to support carers like Tanya to care for their loved ones. Ashish Joshi, Sky News.